The Supreme Court will hold a hackathon, a first in its history, to identify innovative ideas and explore practical propositions for refining and bringing in efficiency in existing processes from filing till listing of cases in its registry. Hello and welcome to VARINDIA News Hour. As per the sources, Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud has directed organizing a hackathon in the Apex Court. It will be held under the supervision and guidance of Justice S K Kaul. The event will see duty holders, stakeholders and beneficiaries engaging in collaborative brainstorming with a goal to bring in evolution by inclusion of new methodology for upgrading the ecosystem by generating innovative ideas. Members of the Supreme Court Bar Association and Supreme Court Advocates On Record Association will also be invited to participate in the event and provide insights by way of their suggestions for improvement of the system. In addition, suggestions will also be sought from duty holders, namely the officers and the officials of the Registry, as well as law clerks deputed in the residential offices of Chief Justice of India and judges of Supreme Court. The statement said the best 18 suggestions or innovative ideas will be identified and would be accorded with the opportunity to deliver a presentation for demonstrating their vision on the ideas or suggestion. The statement further said that the winner and the runner-up of the hackathon will be felicitated. Larger hackathons are proposed to be organized in future, also under the aegis of various committees of judges of the Supreme Court on the various topics of importance for the efficient functioning of the judicial system. Let's look into today's headlines in VARINDIA. AWS suffers outage at US East 2 region. Amazon Web Services suffered an outage at one of its 4 regions in the US just after it announced a multitude of new and updated services in its annual reInvent conference. The outage lasted for about 75 minutes and resulted in internet connectivity issues to and from the US East 2 region. Later, AWS released a blog post saying that the issue was resolved. Previously, AWS suffered an outage at the same region in Ohio in July that took down connectivity from AWS EC2 instances and affected several applications such as WebEx and Zoom. RBI selects 7 consultancy firms to use AI/ML for regulatory supervision. The Reserve Bank of India has shortlisted 7 global consultancy firms to use artificial intelligence and machine learning for supervisory functions. The supervisory jurisdictions of the RBI extends over banks, urban cooperative banks, NBFCs, payment banks, small financial banks, local area banks, credit information companies, and select all Indian financial institutions with the objective of assessing their financial soundness, solvency, asset quality, governance framework, liquidity, and operational viability to protect depositors' interests and financial stability. Getir acquires gorillas for $1.2 billion. Quick grocery delivery platform Getir has announced that it is acquiring its German rival platform Gorillas in a $1.2 billion deal. According to reports, the combined entity is now valued at $10 billion. In May this year, Getir announced that it would slash 14% of its global workforce and more than 4,000 were impacted. Getir operates in several countries such as the UK, Germany, France, Italy, Spain and the Netherlands and Portugal, including the US. WhatsApp to soon roll out Message Yourself feature to Windows users. WhatsApp is soon bringing its Chat with your own number feature to Windows users as well. This will help users to send quick notes or reminders or crucial information to themselves at ease. The Message Yourself feature was already rolled out to WhatsApp on Android and iOS last month. WhatsApp users are required to download the latest version of the beta app from Microsoft Store to access this feature. Tata Group to open 100 exclusive Apple stores in India. The Tata Group owned Infinity Retail, which runs the Chroma chain of stores, will soon open 100 small exclusive Apple stores across the country. The Apple stores will be opened in malls as well as high street and neighborhood locations and will be smaller than Apple premium reseller stores. The smaller stores will sell iPhones, iPads and watches. Apple is mainly focusing on boosting sales in India and planning to expand its production capabilities. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VARINDIA News Magazine. You can download the VARINDIA app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.